Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. My name is Dr. Joshua Aura. I teach Advanced Excel at RCM College, Nairobi. Now, today, I would want to take you through a very important tool of Advanced Excel called the Vlookup. The Vlookup. And with me, ladies and gentlemen, I happen to be having a great Excel worksheet that I would want to share with you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. I hope you're able to see my screen. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at the screen that I have here, I happen to be having brands. We have here brands. We have Samsung brand, Canon, Sony, Fuji, Panasonic, and Ricoh. And you can see where these brands were being sold. You can see the models of the brands. We can see their megapixels. You can see their LCD monitor. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I could be having like 15,000 brands, or even still, if you were to look at it from the context of a university that has got like 10,000 students. 10,000 students, in this case here, occupying 10,000 rows, it will be very hard for you to look for information for one student physically scrolling. It will be very hard. So it can only be great, ladies and gentlemen, at this management level for us to appreciate how we can make use of this powerful tool called the Vlookup to look for whatever brand that we need. Like now here, I've been able to isolate two brands, Sony and Panasonic. I would want us to get information, like now this Sony, where was it sold? So then the very best thing that you need to do is to come and extract the various brands that you are after, put them in a different table, like now what I've done here. So once I'm there, I'll click inside there, say equals. So once I say equals, ladies and gentlemen, I want the Vlookup function, so Vlookup. I can see once I type there VL, I'm able to see the Vlookup, so click on it twice. I'm not using any Excel shortcut. I want us to go slowly, so click on it twice. So you can see once I do that, the function itself has been defined here. So they want me, ladies and gentlemen, to look up, to define the lookup value. And the lookup value variable is the Sony brand that I have here. So I'll come and click on the Sony brand cell. So once I do that, I can see right away they're telling me to separate, so comma. So you write comma here, right? The next thing they want me to define is the table array. So the table array, I will come and highlight the entire table. So I'll come and highlight the entire table. Great. Once I do that, ladies and gentlemen, I know I need to move to the next thing, which is column index. But before I go to column index, come and give us, ladies and gentlemen, a comma there. Give us a comma there. Right? So the next thing is the column index. Country sales is column number 2. Country sales is column number 2. So you simply say 2 there. You simply say 2 there. You say 2 there. Ladies and gentlemen, the next thing, of course, is to separate. So comma, I go to this very important thing. So they want us to give them the range lookup. So this range, you can either tell them to give you an approximate value, an approximate match by telling them true, or you ask for an exact match. So here we don't want to guess, we want an exact match. We always go for false. Here we always go for false. So false, in the event that they are not able, ladies and gentlemen, to get the value which we are looking for, they should go tell us that they were not able to get it by giving us, returning what we call not available, not available. So you simply say false, or you type 0 there. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Once I say equals by saying enter name, the enter key, I'll be able to see straight away that Sony here was sold in Japan. So Sony was sold, you can see from the original table, Sony was sold in Japan. Now, I would want to copy this formula instead of repeating the same approach, writing the same tool severally here. I would want to copy this formula. So for me to copy the formula, what I need to do is to click on this Japan, on this cell. I'll have to do what we call absolute referencing to a few things. Here, this being a vertical lookup, a Vlookup, ladies and gentlemen, I need to come and fix the first column here. So come and fix the first column there, G, column G. You fix, ladies and gentlemen, you normally fix your lookup value, which is under column G. So how do we fix it? We introduce a dollar sign. I hope you guys are good at absolute and relative referencing. So I need to put a dollar sign or use this F4. F4 is a good shortcut. So you simply press F4 once. When you press F4 once, you can see F4 has introduced two dollar signs, meaning that they have fixed the column and fixed the row. But I only want the column alone to be fixed. So I'll have to press F4 again. When I press F4, I can see they've only now fixed the row 2, which is wrong. I want column G to be fixed. So you'll keep on pressing that F4. So when I press F4, I hope you are able to see it's now column G, which has a dollar before it. Thank you very much. That is what I wanted, to fix the column of the lookup value, which is this column G like that. From there, ladies and gentlemen, I also have to fix the table must always be fixed. So the table, to fix it nicely, you highlight it carefully without touching on the comma. You highlight it carefully without touching on the comma, and then you press F4. You will introduce the dollar signs all over. So ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've done that, now you can very comfortably come and tell us, in this case here, the enter there. Of course, you can see still it's Japan, which is coming there. But now that I've been able to fix whatever I wanted fixed, now I can come and copy this particular word here, this particular formula. So I'll copy like that. And I'll come and fix it here in the model. So say there, paste. So I'm pasting there. So I can see they have brought Japan. They have brought Japan there. Let me paste again. They have brought, ladies and gentlemen, Japan. So they're repeating the same because I have not changed the column. Remember now here, we are in column 3. So what I need to do is to come and click on this cursor where I'm seeing the model Japan. Come to this formula. This formula, remember, it has still 2 there. And yet you are on the 3rd column. So come and click there, delete your 2. Delete your 2 backspace there. You say 3. You say 3. And then, of course, in this case here, once you're inside there, you simply do what here? You simply enter like that. So you'll be able to see the model of Sony, which was sold in Japan, which is an agreement here, the Cybershot. Ladies and gentlemen, come straight away again, copy this formula. So you can see our formula is there. I would want, or rather I even have it. I even have this formula. Although you have our formula here, which we had copied there, right? I would want it to come and be duplicated there, right? So come and paste here. Normally, you can see still they're giving us Japan, and we're not surprised. They're giving us Japan. Why are they giving us Japan? It's because if you look at this cell, they're still making reference to column 2. And now I know my column number. I know my megapixels. My megapixels are supposed to be column number 1, 2, 3, 4. Megapixels, I'm supposed to come and change this, put it there. Column number what here? Column number 4, like that. So once I do that, ladies and gentlemen, I will be able to get my enter there. I'll be able to get the megapixels for this particular Sony. It's 14.what here? 14.1. And then I should be able to crown everything by, ladies and gentlemen, I can even copy it from there. Copying the formula. I'll come and paste it here. Right? So once I have it here, I can see the 14.1 being repeated, but I know why. It's because still they're making reference to column number 4, and yet it's supposed to be column number what here? Column number 5. So backspace, column number 5. So once I am there, I'll come and press like that, enter. So I'll be able to see the 2.7 inches of a monitor like that. So once I have that, now doing all the other lookups, column lookups downwards, everything becomes very easy. Like now what I need to do is to come here, click on Japan, copy here, the same. I'll come and copy this down here. I'll be able to get information of Panasonic. So I'll come and paste. Once I paste, I'll be able to see Panasonic was sold in the US. Come straight away to the column of model. Remember, this is a vertical lookup, a Vlookup. So once I'm in this column I'll come and copy this, right? I'll come and copy this. So copy. I go to this particular one here. I simply paste it down. So right click and paste. So I'm able to get my, so go to the megapixels. Megapixels, I'll copy. Come down here again, it's on that column. So I'll be able to paste here very fast, ladies and gentlemen. The same here. I'll come and copy this one and copy it down there, paste it down there, I mean like that. And now that marks the end of our Vlookup concept. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, at RCM College, we happen to be having very great advanced Excel classes, which will cost you Kenya shillings 4,000. Kenya shillings 4,000, and this is our number 0719 525,000. I hope that has been helpful. God bless you.